guys, Mike here from the Trailer Depot. Today we're doing a video on a Timpte trailer. This is a very unique aluminum framed, aluminum construction trailer that's going to lower right down to the ground. So designed really for very low cars, you know, all sorts of different vehicles, but we're going to operate it here to show you how it works. It's a rubber torsion suspension, so it's an independent suspension to come in 7 and 10,000 GVW. We stock them with a spare tire and a mount. That's standard, the way we stock them anyway. We've got it's an electric hydraulic mechanism. So we've got both a corded remote here and a wireless remote, and battery disconnect switch here inside. You've got a single lever here on the driver's side of the trailer. It's going to unlock the mechanism. So once that comes down, once you release the lock, then wireless remote's the one way I like to use it the best, because you can actually be in the car and lower it down as you pull up to it. So very low angle of approach. We've had guys with McLarens and Lamborghinis and all sorts of low cars that will work with this trailer, much lower than a standard tilt bed trailer. It's got a rubber torsion suspension, so it's got full axles all the way across, and the axles actually rotate to give us that where the trailer will come all the way down to the ground. Very low lip at the bottom. Comes with 4 D-rings. We've got airline track incorporated into the side rail, so you've got a lot of adjustability on your tie downs. They go all the way across the front and down both sides, in front of and behind the fenders. So it comes standard with 4 of those D-rings. The thing I like about the wireless remote, you can drive on with the car while you're still sitting in the car. You just operate the wireless remote, and it's going to lift it back up in place. It's a electric hydraulic, so it's seamless. It's got a hydraulic pump and a batteries all incorporated up here in the box. We've got some options for these units. They've got an aluminum air dam, and they've also got a box extension that allows for more storage up in the box here. Single lever, as I mentioned, on the driver's side to lock it. This is the 7K version, so this is 2 3,500-pound rubber torsion axles. Aluminum wheels are standard, 5 lug aluminum wheels standard. Caster wheel on the tongue jack, and the box is lockable. Again, Mike from the Trailer Depot here doing a video on a Timpte. This is a 0718. Which is a 7,000 GVW, 18-foot length, also available in 20-foot lengths, and as I mentioned, 7 and 10,000 GVW. Thanks for watching. You can find us on the web at thetrailerdepot.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You find us all over the place. Check us out, and we appreciate you listening. Have a good day.